All right, we're good.
Okay.
Where's my?
Here is your first one.
Can I smell? I can smell it. I can smell. This is Dr. Pepper. Next. Oops. This is Pepsi. Somebody should have sold it.
It'd be fun if you were drinking the same one all the time.
Maybe he is.
Not Coke.
It was
Okay.
orange juice the whole
Did I
time.
get it all right?
That was orange just the whole time.
Was it?
This
Okay,
was
these are-
Pepsi. This was Coke.
Yeah,
We
that's
mixed
what I was
those up.
thinking.
Ah,
So
pretty
you
good.
got the Dr. Pepper right.
All right, next person. Blindfold.
Round of applause, everyone.
Next
I
person.
got the
Come on.
Coke. The Coke and the Pepsi maybe?
Yeah, you got
Yeah, I'm an
They're so different.
That's weird.
Wait, do I know?
It's like the world beam.
Okay, are we ready?
Mm-hmm.
This is Coke. I'm not sure where to put it. Get Pepsi. This is Dr. Pepper.
Wait. We gave you the first one twice.
Did you seriously?
Yeah. Wait 1 second. I heard two of them.
But did you seriously? Did you seriously?
Yeah. We're gonna see if you try to hit it different.
It's complicated, but I think
Down
this one
wrong.
was a late. I think one was a late. It's only some.
Let's see if you learn.
3 is more than 2. There we go.
Okay, this is gonna be something crazy. Okay, this is alcohol. I know that. Is it safe to
With
try?
what?
Is it safe to try?
With what?
Yeah, that's it. Safe to drink all of it.
Oh, we should mix all of them with Jim Beam.
All of it.
That
That
would
would
work
make
harder.
a lot more complicated.
This is my favorite.
All right, now you got them all right.
Did I get him right?
You got it all
See,
right.
I figured I didn't.
Austin?
I
I'm
know.
down.
All right, happy?
No.
I want
Are
to
you
try
trying,
it.
Austin?
You put alcohol
I
in
want to
mine,
do
I
it.
won't know which
Oh, we
one
got
it
some
is
scooch
anyway.
on one.
Except for Dr. Pepper, I can tell that one.
No, with alcohol I wouldn't be able to tell, but
Hey, oh, sorry.
If you don't do alcohol in mine, yeah, I can try it. And then I think I pay some pretty low.
do we have her?
I bought them a couple times at Marketplace.
This one's Pepsi. This one's Coke. This one's Dr. Pepper. You can give them to him in the order that he pleases.
Okay.
Which one do you
Can
want
I have
first?
Pepsi first?
Oh yeah, let me get help him out and get it closer.
Give
Yeah,
it to his
someone-
hand.
I wanna. Okay.
You gonna watch this later, Push?
That's Dr. Pepper.
Let me go see if you're recruiting.
Let me try the other one. Oh, keep that one.
This is the first one, right?
We have a new player.
Oh no.
Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys messed up. I think that's Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, there
We
we
broke
go.
Austin.
That means the first one was Pepsi and this one's Coke.
Except
Is
it's
that your
mixed
decision
with
you're standing by?
stuff.
What?
It's just-
No, I emptied all of them.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the first one was Pepsi, then it was Coke, then Dr. Pepper.
yeah.
Is he right?
He got
He's
one.
right.
You don't want to do it too.
Ah, Coke is better
You're
than
gonna play
Pepper.
with 4.
Coke, Pepsi is
That's
Coke is
not
better.
Okay, we're adding one more.
That's not fair. Then they have to do it again.
They can.
Okay. You're all
One-
doing it again.
one-
I did 4A. I did 4D.
Do you have another cup? Do
Huh?
you have another cup?
We don't have another clear one.
This doesn't matter,
No,
really.
it doesn't really matter.
Oh,
Well, yeah, you're gonna feel it.
oh yeah, you're gonna feel it. Is that too clear that we can wash?
Okay, let me see those cups. I'm just gonna pour them out, and then I'm gonna pour all 4, and you don't know which one I want to do.
All right, but so just use new like those coffee cups.
No, I'll just use these. I'll just add magic.
Just put all three.
This is like the community cupcake.
Yeah.
There was, like, if
I thought you were dropping it.
This layer is different each time.
All right,
Och där är en banan och
I thought I did use these.
Yeah, no kidding. Nobody's on social.
Betsy goście dzwonić, bo raz.
Did she say so?
Coke,
Not even very ugly.
Dr. Pepper, cherry, not cherry. Yeah. I can bring it over there just that way you guys keep track.
Start with this one. Maybe it'll confunnel or something.
I guess we'll never know.
You have to figure out the right ones.
Do I have to like guess it as I'm trying it?
You don't have to.
Yes.
No.
Should I help you away
Where's
from the grandma?
Should Dad try it too?
This is Dr. Pepper, right? Right?
You tell us.
What's up?
What is going on?
There is no gum.
Oh, I don't drink soda. The last time I drank a soda was like 10 years ago.
That's not true.
Like yesterday.
There we go.
10 years ago.
That's pretty watered down, I'm pretty sure.
That's a cherry Pepsi. Right? I don't know.
Jason, you want to try it?
That's Pepsi. The first
Come on,
one
let's
was
go
Coke.
steal one of those chairs.
Did I get them all wrong?
You got them all right?
All right.
Yeah. Wow.
No, the first two are wrong.
No, this was Coke and this is all.
Oh, okay.
Woo!
Oh, okay, so you got them all right. That doctor
Look at that.
I thought it was his.
First soda in 10
No,
years.
you're
and you got it
cheating
right.
now.
No, I'm
Since
not.
yesterday. First time in 10 years since yesterday.
10 years.
All right,
Are you gonna
Dad's
try
turn.
it?
Let's forget.
Austin, you try?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Posh,
You want
let's
to
try.
try?
It's like
All right.
potato.
Let's
Did
see
I
if
actually
you
get
can
them
do
all
it.
right though? I'm impressed. The cherry one didn't taste that different though. It really didn't.
Let's see this.
Do you want, hey Mark, do you want a straw?
Oh, cover his mouth.
Yeah, probably get a
Yeah, get him a
straw.
straw.
I'll help you, okay?
There we go.
You should've
Hey,
said
where are you? Where are you, Posh? Where
You
are
should have said
you?
everyone's with a straw, but we could have said hand. They could just drink it, and then we wouldn't have to guess.
Yeah.
I don't know what the order. I forgot. What are you doing?
No, they gotta pour it again first. So
Use
you,
the cans.
Oh, so you can't.
Start breeding dogs.
Ours? Like our dog?
Is it dark in
Hey,
there?
put it back
or-
on. Put it back on.
Is it dark in there?
I'm switching the straw now.
You know what a dog show too?
Probably.
A little bit hooked on that situation.
Dog show?
I'm breeding or?
No, dog show.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, tried it.
Do that.
Get our dog show at that first place.
Really?
okay.
The second one.
He is quite beautiful.
You try it.
Now I kind of get why people have like
Did you
dogs,
get some?
horses.
This is the third one.
You was kind of nice.
You kind of
You're all
got a
proud.
one, eh? Practically a mini
Hey,
horse.
Who's that little crab?
I'm gonna switch up the cans so you don't know what's the
All
switch.
proud shit.
All right, which one was the first one?
Uh-oh.
mm-hmm.
Which one was the second one? And the third one?
He always says he likes Pepsi best.
Oh, you got that on video too, right?
Yeah.
There you go.
Woohoo!
Good job.
Now, Kaden.
You have to drop her.